Let me guess. You've had days where you swore you'd change everything tomorrow. You pictured yourself waking up early, finally getting work done, maybe even hitting the gym. But when the morning came, you hit snooze, checked your phone, and before you knew it, the whole day was gone. That cycle is frustrating, but it's not unusual. Most students aren't lazy, they're just stuck without a system that works. That's why today I want to show you a routine that actually fits real life, not a schedule built for robots who never get tired, but one that helps you focus, stay healthy, and still have time to breathe. Think of it like setting up guardrails on a road. You won't always drive perfectly, but those guardrails keep you from crashing. Why does a routine matter so much? Imagine trying to charge your laptop without a charger. Impossible, right? That's what your brain feels like when you run on zero structure. People don't fall behind because they're not smart enough. They fall behind because their energy is scattered. When your day has rhythm, your mind stops fighting itself. You save energy for the things that matter. So let's break it down. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. That's just social media nonsense. Aim for something reasonable, between 6 and 7:30. The world is quieter then, fewer distractions, more control. The first thing you do matters more than the time itself. Don't grab your phone. Don't invite chaos into your head. Sit up, breathe, drink water, let some sunlight in. Give your brain a calm start instead of a crash start. Next, move. I don't mean a full workout. Just get your body online. 5 minutes of stretching, walking around, or even a couple of push-ups. Think of it as turning the key in your car before driving. Once your body wakes up, your brain follows. And please don't skip food. Your brain runs on energy, and if you starve it, you'll crash halfway into class. Keep it simple. Oats, fruit, toast, something light but steady. Wash it down with water, not soda. Dehydration tricks you into thinking you're lazy when really, you're just running dry. Mornings are prime time for tough tasks. That subject you keep avoiding? Do it here. You'll get more out of one focused hour in the morning than 3 half-dead hours at night. Set a timer. Work in focused blocks. Then take short breaks without touching your phone. Think of it as sprinting, then catching your breath instead of dragging your feet all day. Afternoons is where most students zone out. Classes, lectures, assignments, it all blends together. The trick? Don't be a note-copying robot. Write things in your own words. Ask a question, even if it's small. Process before you memorize. It's like planting seeds. You don't just drop them and walk away, you water them so they grow. Keep lunch light. Heavy food will knock you out faster than a boring lecture. Add a quick nap or a walk if you can. It's like hitting refresh on your brain. Afternoons are great for hands-on work. Practice problems, projects, anything that keeps you active instead of just staring at a book. In the evening, get up and move. Play a sport, jog, or just dance around your room. Movement clears your head and makes studying later feel easier. After that, give your brain something creative. Write, draw, play music, build something. School shouldn't be the only place you use your mind. Then, go for light review. Don't attack the hardest subject now. Instead, revisit what you learned earlier and plan what's coming next. By the time you sleep, you'll feel ahead, not behind. Before bed, write down tomorrow's top 3 tasks. Not vague stuff like study more, but clear steps. Finish history notes. Solve 10 math problems. This clears your head so you can sleep. And speaking of sleep, don't sacrifice it. Without rest, your brain can't store what you studied. Think of sleep as the save button after a day of work. Without it, everything disappears. Finally, cut the screens before bed. I know it's hard, but your phone tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Swap it for a book, music, or journaling. You'll fall asleep faster and wake up sharper. This isn't about perfection. You'll slip, you'll miss days. But the point of a routine isn't to never fail. It's to always have a way back on track. Consistency is what builds results, not grinding for 16 hours straight. Do this for a few weeks, and you won't just feel more productive. You'll actually feel in control.